Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the time-lapse of star trails by using the comet mode using the StarStack software. In the previous video of creating time-lapse of star trails, I showed you that how you can create the time-lapse of star trails by using the normal blending mode, but today I'm going to show you how you can do it by using the comet mode. The comet mode will be creating the time-lapse of star trails similar to the shooting stars or meteors, and it is going to be very easy for you. But before that, if you don't know what are star trails and how we can create the star trails by using just our smartphone, then I have made a video on that and you can directly watch that video on my channel. I have also provided the link to that video in the description below and also in the I button over here. So I recommend you to watch that video for creating star trails and the previous video on creating star trails in 5 minutes, so that all your doubts will get cleared up and you will be doing the time lapse for star trails very easily. So make sure you watch the both video. So let's begin our today's video without wasting much time. So friends, after downloading the software, you need to install the software at a particular location in your laptop or personal computer, and after doing that we need to open the software. So I'm opening the software here. After opening the software will look something like this, and the first task is to import all the images. So for importing the images you need to click the first option from left side, and you need to select the folder where all your images are stored. Here I am using the Milky Way images and the total images are 81. So I am importing all the 81 images here. See, you can see that I have done the numbering of images so that the order is correct, and the trails and the time lapse of the star trails will be continuous without any breaks or any problem. So you need to label it or you need to number all the images before importing them. So after this you need to see the blending mode, and the blending mode is gap filling mode only. Other modes are also that, but they are not that much useful. So I am using the gap filling mode over here, and after that I need to check the comet mode box. So I will click on this and I will check the comet mode box so that the star trails and the time lapse of star trails will be in the form of shooting stars, I mean similar to shooting star or meteors. So after checking you can see that short trails and long trails are shown over here. So I am shifting the pointer to 2 points on the long trails, and I will be creating the final output in the form of long trails only. So after this you need to check this box for save after each step. See, you can see that save a cumulative image after each blending step is shown. So you need to check that box, and after that you need to select that folder where you want to save all the images. So I am saving all the images on the desktop only. I have created a folder, yes, normal mode. So I have selected this folder, and see, you don't need to do any numbering over here because it will directly store by default manner. So if you want to give custom numbering from particular image or from particular frame, then you can do it here, otherwise it is not required. And after that you need to click on the fourth option from left, which will start the processing of the images. So I am clicking over here, and you can see that star trails will get start to form, and each image when the star trail is created will get stored in that particular folder. You can see here that star trails has started to form. So after the completion of the whole process, the final image is shown over here, and this is the final output, and all the 80 images turn by turn when the star trails get formed in each image are stored at the location which I selected. So I am showing you that all the images are stored at a particular location. So you can see over here that all the 80 images are stored in the folder where I selected it. So this is the first image. It is the beginning of the formation of star trails, but this is the first image, so no trails are formed in it. You can see that after every image, when star trail gets formed, the image is stored. For example, I am showing you, this is the 30th image. You can see that halfway the star trails are formed. This is the 50th image. See, and this is the 80th image. So every image is stored when star trail gets formed in it, and now we need to merge all these images in the form of a video by using any application or software, and I'm using the KineMaster over here. So I will show you how to merge these images and create the final output in the form of time lapse. So you can see here that I have exported all the images from my laptop to my smartphone, and you can see that all the 80 images are shown over here. But before starting to merge all the images, you need to keep the frame duration of every frame as least as possible. So I am selecting the frame duration as 0.1 over here, so that the final time lapse of the star trails will be smooth without any breaks. So after selecting the frame duration to be least as possible, you need to merge all the images. So I am merging all the images turn by turn. So now you can see that I have imported all the images in the KineMaster's application, and you can see that the time lapse is very good and it is without any breaks. So I will show you from the beginning. See, the time lapse is very beautiful and it is similar to the shooting stars or meteors. Once again I am showing it. So this is how you can create the time lapse of star trails by using the comet mode. I hope that this video is helpful to you, and if it is so, then please like and share this video and subscribe to the channel for more updates on smartphone astrophotography and other tutorials regarding smartphone astrophotography and information regarding astronomy. Thank you for watching this video.